but I didn't get any scholarships. I did get a scholarship from Pepperdine, but I decided I wanted to diversify, have a different school on my resume.
Yeah,
and also
smart.
UCLA really impressed me with their on-campus recruiting, the kind of companies that come in and meet with students. And I realized that was going to be my ticket to just fix all of these mistakes that I've talked about, which are embarrassing. I haven't thought about them in a while, Patrick, but I got to fix and start over. And I went to the school and I went to these recruiting events with a new brand and realizing I have a clean slate. They don't know that I've made these mistakes. Now this is my chance to do it over. So I chose Anderson and was really excited about that. It was a 3-year program. And so I was working full-time at Fluor in Orange County. And then my boss was really supportive. He'd let me leave around 2:30 or 3 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'd drive all the way up to Westwood and go to class at night. And I would get home at 11:30 p.m., just exhausted. And it was so worth it. People thought it was crazy to do the MBA, thought it was crazy to drive that commute and do it while working. And I never complained. I was so grateful because I realized this is my chance to make something out of myself.